day 2 of AIMEX 2025. It's the first time in Adelaide. It's been a really nice event so far. We had some wonderful conversations yesterday. Please feel free to come down and have a discussion with myself or Julia behind the camera. We'd love to have a chat with you about your safety and collision mitigation requirements. The product side of things. We brought a couple of samples of some of our industrial lighting with us, AC lighting. We also bought an ID board if you've got loaders, dozers, trucks or drag lines and you want to have side visibility of your ID of your vehicles. Really great option. And more importantly, the collision mitigation. So we brought along a 24 gigahertz and a 79 gigahertz radar. You can either have it with a round display or the traditional LED display. We've also bought a range of lighting optimization and simulation plans, which will be on the TV. We've also released our version 2 2025 catalogue. So if you are in the area, please come on down and have a chat. We've got a full complemented range of LED lighting in here, safety, warning, collision mitigation. And we also have an LED display, so you can come and have a play around and push some buttons. We've got a range, they're built to OEM pedigree. We've got some amber and white options, some with glass lenses, polycarbonate lenses, and dual colour as well. So again, AIMEX 2025, first time in Adelaide. Please feel free to come along. We'd love to talk to you. Thank you.